Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by waking your iPhone or raising and tapping your Apple Watch. This triggers the payment interface. Once done, make sure the correct card appears in Wallet, swipe to choose another if needed. Tell the cashier you're using Apple Pay so they know to present the terminal. Place your device near the contactless reader when they say ready. You're starting the secure NFC exchange that sends tokenized info, not your actual card number. You hold the device close to the terminal and wait for the terminal's indication. If Face ID is active, glance at your phone. If Touch ID, rest your finger. Otherwise, type your passcode. For Apple Watch, double-press the side button and bring the watch face to the reader. Once you authenticate, the terminal and device complete a token exchange. This is why payment often finishes in 1 to 2 seconds. If a receipt is needed, tell the cashier before removing your device. You finish by confirming the green checkmark, chime, or vibration that signals approval, then take your receipt and go. If payment fails, make sure NFC is enabled, hold the device steady closer to the reader, or ask the cashier to switch to chip or manual entry as a fallback. If the charge looks wrong, check wallet transactions or your bank app immediately and contact the merchant if necessary. Keeping the device charged avoids interrupted authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.